Hey friends, if you wish to fix error 0x0000011b on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to restart the print spooler service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. And then scroll down to the print spooler service. Now this list is in alphabetical order, so it will be easier to find. And then right click on the print spooler service and select restart if it is not started, and if it you can also select start if it's not started. So the second one is to install the pending updates. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, select Windows update, click on check for updates and make sure that each and every update is installed on the system. The last solution is to run the printer troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters, click on run corresponding to the printer troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.